Hi everybody, I'm Yana, and today all day I cooked a delicious dinner. In general, I love to cook all sorts of delicacies, so I cooked pizza with salami. I think it has turned out very tasty. But today we talk about door trim. I'll try to tell you in a few words about how to install door trim. But if you've got any questions or feedback, please leave us a comment here in our YouTube channel, or better yet, please visit our website at http://moldinginstallation.com. So, when you know how to install a door trim, renewing and refurbishing a room is a quick, easy and relatively economical project. Door trim come in a wide range of styles and widths, so you can easily add a personal touch to your home. This article is about the installation of door trim. Before you start with the actual installation of the door trim, you should measure the perimeter of the door. In addition to this, we advise you to purchase pre-painted door trim, as it will provide a professional edge to your door. In order to fix the door trim in place, you may have to make use of finishing nails, as they are almost inconspicuous to the naked eye, and they can also be caulked with difficulty. Once the casing has been installed, you may find certain abnormalities in your door jamb, or that the walls are preventing the door trim from being positioned tightly against the surface. You can resolve this by applying a thick bed of latex caulk to fill in the gaps or irregularities. So thanks for watching my video. Remember that we've got a lot more content on our website at http://moldinginstallation.com. And I hope to see your questions and definitely answer all of them. So have fun, smile, be happy. Love you all, guys. Bye.